Hi, I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness, and today I'm going to show you how to do a forward lunge. When you're doing a forward lunge, you're going to take a big step with your front foot to the front of your body while bending your back leg and driving your knee towards the ground. It's important when you take your step that your knee doesn't go past your toe. So you're placing all your weight in your hip. You're forming a 90-degree angle with your back leg. Come down, push back up, driving your weight into your heel and pushing with your toe back to the original position. Then alternate your leg. Again, step forward, don't go past your toe, 90-degree angle, and push back. Now, if you can't do a full lunge, don't worry. Allow your body to do what it's capable of. So if your lunge doesn't look like your back leg is coming down all the way, hold the position for as far as you can. So this is acceptable until your body gets strong enough to come down further. And that is a forward lunge.